Hi, my fans. I just have a couple of really brief behavior tips for you today. So, when someone is experiencing a behavior when they have Alzheimer's or dementia, it's typically related to just a few things. It could be physical, which means they could be uncomfortable or in pain, uncomfortable clothing, they may need to toilet. Another reason may be they're just in an unfamiliar place and they're actually afraid. So their surroundings are uncomfortable because they're not familiar with them, and it's a strange environment to them. Even if they've lived there for 40 years, it may not be familiar to them. The other one is that they're trying to communicate something to you and they're just unable to express their wishes. So that can be very frustrating and can come out as a behavior. Another one is that there just may be too much stimulation going on around them. There's too much noise, or there's just too much activity and they can't concentrate and they're losing their train of thought. Or it could actually be the opposite, and they may not be having enough stimulation where they need to be busy and they need something to do. So there you have it. There are some quick behavior tips for you.